Welcome to Aurelia Ridge. Update construction po. Rain or shine, may mga naggagawa po. Kaya tuloy-tuloy po ang paggawa ng project natin dito sa Aurelia Ridge. Sa mga interested po reserve, only 30K for reservation. Update construction Aurelia Ridge. Ayan, kahit maulan guys, kailangan natin magbuhay guys. Yun yung main D8 na overlooking of Laguna de Bay. Yung mountain na yan na mahamog o maulap, yan po ay Camellia Homes. Camellia Meadows pala, sorry. Ang hamog yung mountain niya, parang humalas lupa yung ulap niya guys. Construction here at Aurelia Ridge. Ito po yung single attached po ng model natin. Still ongoing po ang construction. And then ito yung ating townhouse unit. Townhouse model siya. Review po ako nito sa aking Facebook account, YouTube and TikTok. Ulan na panahon pero tuloy pa rin ang trabaho. Work pa rin guys. And for those who interested, please call me 0965-1474-368 and also my Viber account 0928-4399-371 and also on my TikTok account Madonna si Kenya. You can visit me there and also on my YouTube account Best Investment sa Rizal. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Please like and share. Have a nice day po. God bless. Yan po yung ating townhouse. May type A, type B, and type C po sa ating townhouse. Laguna Lake View. Yan, Laguna Lake po ang ating view. Laguna Lake View. Yan po yung sunset. And this side, dito po yung sunrise. House. Meron po tayong house na may 2 car garage at merong 1 car garage. God bless everyone. Have a nice day po. Yan po yung gate niya. Quarry Road, Pantok, Binangonan Rizal. We have upright remote yung east po natin.